Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to pick or select colors anywhere on your PC using Clip Studio Paint. So let's say, for example, I have seen a color online that I really can't find within my default color set palette. All I need to do is simply go on to the edit section of Clip Studio Paint, and then I'm going to select hide windows and pick color screen. So with that selected, I can pick any color of my choice, and then I can then apply the color. Now, if you've got two monitors, right, and you want to select any color you've seen online, similar to the first step, all you have to do, go to edit within Clip Studio Paint, then select pick screen color. With that selected, you can scroll to the monitor on the right hand side, pick any color, and then you can apply. It's that easy. Now, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks in Clip Studio Paint. Okay? Take care. Bye.